Hi Jaden, I'd like to show you a computer build. I just built this one last week, and I'd like to show you this one because I heard that you're interested in building gaming computers. So this is the build that I did. So this is the CPU. So this is the CPU of this one is i9 9900K i9, yeah, Intel. And then the motherboard is the Gigabyte, and then the RAM is 32 gigabyte RAM, and then the graphics memory is 8 gigabyte graphics memory, and I have the SSD of 500 gigabyte of SSD, 1 terabyte of hard disk, and I use this game fans, and my case, the PC case, is Fantex. So I was able to build this one, and then it really works with this 4K monitor, as it gives a good graphics. So this is my build, Jaden, and hopefully you can also someday build your own.